Alrighty, so today is the 9th, which is a Sunday. I hope everyone had a nice weekend, and this watch list will be for tomorrow, which is Monday. Let's just jump into it. So SPY. Okay, let's do SPY first. Well, as a day trader, usually I just take a look. It doesn't really affect our everyday trading, but just to get to know like how this thing goes. Well, it's still on the uptrend, obviously. Or is it gonna come down? I don't know. Holding above all the moving average. So we'll see how it opens tomorrow. But it's getting kind of summer is ahead, and I think we had this huge run. Well, I think more volatility is gonna come, along the way. We'll see. So AKRX huge run on Friday. Um, I think they had a breaking news and 11, 12 o'clock. News came out, shoot up 13%, pull back and came back all the way down, all the way up. And now it's post market 34. Look at it from 26, 27 bucks to 34. Yep, that is how these kind of biotech can run. And they're low flow. If you don't know how to trade them, and please stay away. That's all I can say. 用中国人的话，就是我觉得国内，我也是在接触国内的人士才知道，国内的人管这种股票叫妖股。虽然我不知道为什么叫妖股，有可能从意思上讲，就是说，呃，就是难以去理解的吧，有可能是这种股票。其实这种股票是，嗯，美国人，咱外国人管它叫 low flow 嘛，啊、其实这种是 trader 最喜欢的一种股票之一。OK，因为 they have crazy range, crazy volume, great liquidity。那普通的投资人肯定是不会去交易这种股票，因为首先你要掌握方法，他们也不知道怎么去交易这种股票，他们也做不到，比较难去做到严格的止损，或者说就是 they don't know what to look for, like Pacific pattern, Pacific price action. Every kind of stock has the specific setup to trade it. Okay, how to long this kind of stock, how to short them this kind of stock. So, um, yeah, if you don't know how to trade them, just stay away. Okay, um, but that's how day trader likes it. We love this kind of stock. So AKTX, I think this is sympathy play, same thing like it shoot up to, and there were no, never mind. This thing holding up the whole afternoon, and they had a brought back. A lot of people think this thing was over. Then it came all the way up, and obviously, I mean, it's in play. Stock are in play. These are all small caps, so okay, now large cap. Okay, BA Friday holding very nice. They've been holding this trend perfect. Like you don't even need this trend, like this trend line. It's just this 20 moving average is just holding very nice. And 110. Eventually, if I think we're gonna see a 110 breakout. I have this stock on RIA for a long run. I got in here, but that's a different story. Okay, BNTC. This thing could bounce. Like they're trying here. 350. We could do a morning opening range bounce. CALI. I think will slowly fade back down. Probably. I trade this one on Friday, but can't play too much size. It's kind of thing. CARA. Oh no. I might look for a short because this thing looks good. The intraday action, it could come back to this 2017 level for, temporary, retracement. And this trend is holding pretty nice. I don't care where to go. See, this thing is just probably still trending. Not saying the stock is okay. When traders short this kind of things, like we take intraday short. It doesn't mean we don't think this company is, is piece of shit or something is not a good company. It just the setup is there and the stock pulling back for, that's just price action. It's pure price action. Stock doesn't go this like all the way up. It's going down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. Okay, so we take the break. Even a strong stock or like a good company, it has to come back in some kind of form. That's why they have to take a break. And we should just if like stock like this, once they hit resistance, they're gonna take a break. I'm sure most people knows this. Once they try to hit 13 is a major break. If you look for this kind of setup and in your Pacific strategy, you take a short. That's 27% move. I mean, I'm not saying this company is bad. I'm just taking the chance of the price action. You make 27%, in a matter of days, and this thing consolidating, and keep going. So same thing. Long, like your bullish people, you have your strategy to play this. You invest right here, or you look for long patterns. You long right here. You make your 75% in couple, in less than a month, like 2 months, less than a month. Then short sellers they take advantage, and the price overextend price. Then, you know, they short right here. They make their 25%. Everybody happy. It's not like you know bullish stock doesn't have a chance to make a short selling. It's just everything has their own. It's like that's like American people saying yin and yang. They not a lot of Americans saying yin and yang. It's like the positive and negative. The price will find their balance. When they go up too much, they're gonna come back. Well, enough for that. I think everybody knows that. But just don't think, oh my, this is a good company. Why you short this thing? Why you short this good company? Well, nah. Okay, we're short because we want to make money, not because this company is bad. It's just the price action is telling this thing is overbought right now, and we need, it's gonna take a break. All right, and see, there's a lot of people think short sellers actually smack the stock price down. No, not short selling smack the short seller are very small majority in the financial market. Okay, the stock price going down because people are taking profit from the long-term investors or swing traders, position traders. Short seller, yes, short selling is adding the liquidity. If it's a good company, short sellers okay, cannot seriously hurt this company at all because they have a good company will have a huge institutional buying and all these, long-term investors. They can move the stock a little bit, but not like freaking smack down like 30, 40%. There's no way, okay? Anyway, you don't have to believe what I say, okay? That's just my theory, okay? All right, CLNT, crazy one. I trade this thing. At first, I got trapped on the bear trap right here, and I try to long this thing. Okay, let me show you a pattern. If you can learn something, you learn something. If you don't learn something, that's fine. Okay, but this is hindsight talk. Higher high, or higher low, higher low, higher low. Price, volume fading, contracting. This is a key risk, key level. Once it's holding, volume jumping, boom. Price jump, boom. You can use the previous high as a target, which is 990. Even that, you can make 17%. If you long here at 8 with 1,000 shares, okay. Theoretically, you can make $1,500 in a matter of minutes. And your risk, if you long A, and you risk on L below this bar at 794 before the volatility start, okay? Your risk, your risk is pretty much $60, okay? That's just how one of the way to trade these low flow stocks. You get in when the volatility is slowing down, contracting, and before once they expand, boom. Okay. Make your huge move. But yeah, that's how we teach in our program. Anyway, so what's next one? And let me see. Oh, this thing could fade more. It's 1070 to 650, 35% move. But it was hard borrowing. I couldn't find shares to borrow on this one on well, I didn't even look at it as speed trader because but this one you need low flow stocks, you need Pacific brokers to short this. Okay, CLVS, where's the CLVS? This thing could bounce. Intraday, like you can't say this is a double bottom and they start, holding. It could really bounce here at 55. It's kind of major support at 53 and been down for a couple, like straight down. It could bounce. Very likely CTRP. Oh, so they're trying to break late of the day. One of our member mentioned this. I didn't know he took the trade or not, but it was nice at the 50 break. Right here, 50 and break to here, what? 50.77, they fade all the way down, but close above 50, which is good. And with some volume, the volume was good. So, can CTRP go higher? Obviously. And they could go higher and also. And, yep, so Monday, this thing could, keep on going. And see, the chart it's just clean trade. This is clean trend. Price is contracting, price contracting, holding, and volume is contracting. So, and HTGM, I think this one is pretty much over. It could fade more. All right, MOMO, same thing. Momo, they were trying to push to 36, but didn't press breakthrough, but still looking good. It could break this all-time high, 52-week high, and keep going. And NT, what is next one? We'll see what's gonna happen. So I think this one went with AKRX. So, but it fade all the way down. Same thing like a VRX. And because the breaking news, but I'm still looking for this all-time support break. I want to see a huge move, but you see I have my alert right here, but still waiting. So we are also VRTX, same thing. They're showing some weakness Not exactly turning red, but it could pull back. Trying to push 117.65 and go higher, but it just got smacked back. Tesla, same thing. Well, Tesla is strong. I mean, this thing is making a flag right here. It could definitely go higher. See, this one it could definitely go higher. That's how I think about it. And also, RH, RH could go higher too. Right. Oh man, yo, I think you guys hear my baby was crying on the back. Anyway, could go higher. Fill this gap. Strong stock. Okay, and so that's about it. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.